Alright folks, let's talk about something small, handy, and potentially explosive. Yep, today we're reviewing a keychain flashlight that's compact, rechargeable, and, spoiler alert, kind of a fire hazard. This tiny gadget fits on your keys and charges using a built-in USB-A connector, so you can juice it up anywhere. Charge it with power banks, wall chargers, or even your laptop. No buttons here. Instead, you twist the LED lens to turn the flashlight on and off. Simple and kinda fun. But before you get too excited, let's take a closer look at what we're dealing with. Charging is just as quirky. Twist the rear cap, pop it off, and plug it into any USB-A port. Just remember, while charging, the red LED stays on forever. No auto shut-off, no indication when it's done. On the plus side, the front lens is clipped in, so you can at least peek inside without wrecking it. But to get everything out, get ready to break stuff. The white plastic near the USB is glued, not clipped, not screwed, glued to the yellow case. So if you ever need to fix it, tough luck. Flashlight specifications, or should we say, speculations. The manufacturer claims. Battery, a built-in 70 mAh lithium battery. Or so they say. Charging time, 20 to 30 minutes. Power, 0.5 watts. Now, here's the fun part, these specs are about as accurate as a horoscope. The actual battery capacity? Not 70 mAh, but 55 mAh. That's a 20% lie. Claimed power? 0.5 watts? More like 0.1 to 0.2 watts. That's like buying a sports car and finding out it's got a lawnmower engine. Charging time? If you value your eyebrows, don't leave it unattended. Because this thing lacks any protection circuit, no BMS, no proper lithium-ion charger, just pure, unfiltered risk. Lithium-ion battery shouldn't go above 4.2 volts. The USB outputs 5.3 volts, and a diode drops it to 4.6 volts. Remember, no BMS. No protection. Just vibes. This flashlight could have been amazing. It's small, convenient, and has a genius concept. But the execution? It's like they designed it on a napkin and forgot to double-check.